So let's talk about what a zipper song is. A zipper song is a fill in the blank song. So in a zipper song, I'll ask the student to fill in some kind of blank. For example, in Old MacDonald, I might say, what animal did Old MacDonald see on the farm? And then I'll zip their ideas right into the song. That's why it's called a zipper song. Zipper songs are fantastic as shared reading pieces because the students are more personally invested in the song since they have a sense of ownership over what happens in it and what's written there. And they're fun. So I use a lot of zipper songs. They also provide a lot of wonderful writing opportunities. You can use a zipper song for model writing, which you'll see me do in the examples when we start singing, where the teacher can write in the student's example on the chart paper. You can use a zipper song for word study or phonics, including whole word recognition, phonemic awareness, rhyming, alliteration, syllables. For example, let's say that one child, you were doing Old MacDonald, one child said cat. You could use that word for a lot of those studies. And if the next child said octopus, then you could compare them and do a syllable work. You can also use zipper songs for interactive writing when you share the pen. So for example, for a 4 or 5-year-old, depending on the skill level, obviously. If the child said cat, I might ask them what sound they hear at the beginning. If they said k, I said yes. So it starts with a C. When you hear k, it's a C or a K. In this case, it's a C. Can you write the C for us? And I'd give them the pen, and they would write the C. And then I would finish the word for them. Interactive writing. It can also be independent writing in their own personal folders. And if you have a shared binder for the whole class, if you stick every song in a 3-ring binder into a sheet protectors, then you can give them a dry erase marker and they can write right on the sheet protector and then erase it for the next child. Super fun. They also provide opportunities for illustration, comprehension work, and like I said, they give students a sense of ownership.